Hey guys, I'm Sarah Mark with Combustion Carolina, and today we're going to be talking about furnace maintenance. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys some tips to keep your furnace running smoothly all winter long. So for the first step, you're going to remove the combustion chamber door, and when you're doing this, you want to make sure the power is off. For the next step, you want to inspect the burner flames. These flames should be even and blue. Then you want to vacuum out the burner and blower cavities. Next, you want to remove the blower to clean it. When you're doing this, you want to make sure to remove the bolts that secure the blower. Next, you want to vacuum and brush the blower blades. When you're doing this, make sure to clean the blower blades carefully. The next step is to change the furnace filters, and you can do this using cheap fiberglass filters. Then you want to blow the dust off the pilot, and you can do this by actually using a drinking straw. Then you want to clean the flame sensor, and you can do this by using a fine emery cloth to clean. Then you want to dust off the hot surface igniter, but make sure not to touch it when doing so. Then you want to inspect the drive belt. When doing this, you want to inspect for cracked or frayed areas. Next, you want to lubricate the bearings if necessary, and make sure not to over lubricate. Then adjust the dampers if necessary. You want to adjust the seasonal settings. Lastly, you want to seal leaky air ducts, and to do this, use special metal tape to seal these leaks. So I hope this video helped for a little bit of furnace maintenance. I'm Sarah Mark with Combustion Carolina, and I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!